edition. I'm so excited. Sunday Citizen. This looks very fancy for somebody's bathroom by Rosie Jane. And this is a deodorant. Interesting. Wake the F up. I'm not joking. You see what it says there? Yeah, I'm not kidding. This is the bottle. This is supposed to be a deodorant. It's like a liquid. Is it a spray for the air? I'm not sure. Feels like off of your armpits, smells like good, like really, really good. Good for everyone. How to. Spray 2 to 3 pumps under each pit, under each arm. Allow it to dry 3 to 5 seconds before dressing. Reapply throughout the day as needed. So I guess this is a form of deodorant after all. It's from Malin and Getz. This is a rum hand and body wash. Rum. Rum, huh? I don't know how I feel about smelling like rum, but okay. It's 0.75 dark rum perfume oil, they call it. Again, I'm not sure. This is 8.5 fluid ounce, 250 ml. Okay, so it's almost like a clear gel type of thing. Ooh. It would have been great if this, well, because this, it has like a very summery scent. I'll just leave it at that. There is a perfume. And since it is a body wash, it's essentially a soap. It's a liquid soap. It's okay. I like it. You know, oh, and it does suds up nicely. See, there you go. It suds up good. I'm not getting like a rum scent, if that makes any sense. It smells like summer. It smells like something that would be in what they call, quote unquote, a masculine cologne. That's what it reminds me a little bit, you know. But it could be a unisex scent. But this is Elizabeth Stone's jewelry. And to be quite honest, it's not, it's something most likely I'll give to my mom because she wears jewelry more than I do. I mean, they're cute, they're understated, but they're not my taste. The next thing I have here, oh, great, something practical. It's called Vacation Classic Lotion. I'm believing this has an SPF by the legendary Vacation of Miami Leisure Enhancing and Excessively Good Sunscreen for long days by the pool. Water resistant, how many minutes? 90 minutes. The scent of summer. Okay, never heard of this brand, but definitely will try it. I love sunscreen. Sunscreen and anything with SPF is my friend because I do burn. I don't like burning, and then it also flares up my freckles, and you'll see me all summer with freckles. So I'm trying to, you know, downplay the freckles as much as I can, but trying to remember to apply sunscreen and SPF. So here we go. Okay, it's a little thick. I don't really smell it yet. I thought I got a whiff of peppermint, but I could be wrong. I do like the packaging though. It's very, you know, retro looking, simple. And then finally, I have this nice juicy box, and this is from none other than Kate Spade. You see that? I'm wondering what's in there. This is a candle. This is a purse. I don't know. It's very strange. Like I said, in this particular box, I don't feel I got to choose a lot of the stuff that was in here, which is odd. I don't know, it's hit or miss sometimes as far as being able to. Ooh, what is this? Okay, this I might have chosen. I might have. What is this? Is this for like lemonade or something? It is, it's like a picture. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, here we go. It's made of plastic, like a hard plastic. And here's the lid, so you see right there. And it has a couple of cups in it too, so it's like a tumbler set. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? How absolutely adorable. This is something I definitely would have chosen. But like everything else, I'm sort of like, about. Like that Sunday something, I don't know. But here we go. And it says Kate Spade on the side. Very cute. I like it. I like that it came like all like put together like that. You could have this by For something like this, I would have this by, like if I had a guest room, you know, or a guest house. But, I guess I did this box a B to B+, because I really liked this. Sunscreen, always welcome. The deodorant thing, not so much. Just as, because I have my feelings about, you know, you eliminate the aluminum. I need the antiperspirant quality of deodorant. And I don't think these brands that take away the aluminum understand that, because they're more interested in being as natural and as free of things as possible, which I admire and commend greatly. It's just that for me, it's not enough just to stop the odor. The whole point of not having the sweat eliminates the prospect of you even getting an odor, because if your skin area is dry, then there's nothing for bacteria to grow on and thus leave their byproduct, which creates the stench. Just saying. They're still working on that, I guess, but it smells nice, citrusy. And the Madeline Gott's rum hand and body wash, definitely, you know, I will be using and putting into my bathroom routine, because I'm all into skincare, hair care, and then makeup. Yeah, I'm just not sure. I don't know. I wish there could have been more of a selection. Would I have liked some more makeup? Absolutely. But it's a summer box, so I guess it's more about skincare, being outside, and having a, you know, a spa aesthetic. And yeah, I think I'm all for that. Of course, I could have done without the wine card, but you know, again, it's about aesthetics. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I will be checking out their edit and add-on sales that are coming up, probably opening up in the next couple of weeks for summer. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest FabFitFun unboxing. I'm delighted for the most part. What about you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care, stay safe. Bye.